Hello everyone, today I'm showing you how to build this mini Lego golf course. Start off by getting a 6x8 plate and 3 1x2 tiles and place it as shown. Next, get a 1x2 jumper plate and place it right there, and a 2x2 tile right there. The next step is to get a 1x2 jumper plate and place it right there, then a 1x2 tile right beneath it, and then place 2 1x2 tiles on the left side and a 2x2 tile on the right side. Then get 2 1x4 tiles and a 2x2 tile and place it as shown. Get 2 1x2 jumper plates and place them in the back. Then get a 1x2 tile and place on the left side. And then get another one and place on the opposite side. Get a 1x2 jumper plate in the black color and place it right there. And get 2 1x1 tiles and place it where it's shown. For the windmill, you're going to need an inverted slope and a 1x1 brick. Connect those together and then get a 1x2 brick and place it on top, connecting it to a 2x3 plate. Then connect 4 slopes. Get a 1x2 brick and 2 1x2 slope pieces. Connect those together. Next, get a 1x2 plate and place it right under. And then get a 1x2 modified plate and place it right there. Finishing it off with 2 cheese slopes. Place this assembly on the right side and repeat this one more time, but on the left side. Get a 2x2 plate and these clip pieces. Connect 4 of them on each corner. Then get a 2x2 plate, place it right in the center, placing a 2x2 round tile on top. Finishing off each edge with 1x1 tiles. Get a 1x2 brick and a 1x2 plate and stack them on top of each other. Then get a 1x2 tile, place it on top. Then get this Technic pin piece and connect it inside of this piece. And get a 1x1 brick and connect it to the assembly you assembled before. And place this right in the center of the build. The 1x1 stud will represent the golf ball and connect this to the jumper plates in the back. For more awesome tutorials like this, press the iCard in the corner and I'll see you next time.